What's up, guys? We're here for another video. We decided to meet up at the Galleria Mall at the Cheesecake Factory. We're going to talk about some stuff, about some videos and upcoming events. We got to hit Best Buy up. We're going to buy some more equipment so we can put out the good videos for you guys. And from here, Big Steve's got to go to work, so he's with us to eat and have a little meeting. And then me and Ray are on our way to Big Indian. We'll finish the video from there.
Too much sauce. More and more cars pulling in here, Tony. This is a rowdy night.
Yeah, I love when I hear them revving their engines.
Oh yeah, that's the next guy.
I fucked my transmission up. Oh yeah, you can smell it. Something smells good.
Man. Folks hating garage, break it down tonight. We're gonna have to put that thing in the garage and call it.
He broken, Mr. Ray. You need to push, my friend.
Uh-oh. Kubota Steve.
Gently, gently, gently. A little more, a little more. You're there.
Oh, yeah.
She's running right now, so maybe just some transmission difficulties for most Hated Garage. You hate to see that, but you know, it's all part of the game, folks. You're going to break them. You're going to hurt them.
Shout out to them. That lap just cost them maybe a cool 250 or something, you know?
You know what? Kind of getting a whiff of that, too. I could smell Silly Willy's sig that he's got, but I do periodically get whiffs of clutch. And it happens.
Yeah! Let's go! Good run, fellas. Good run. That car will be back before you know it.
All right, guys, that's going to wrap things up here at the Big Indian. But, you know, Ray, you were excited about coming here. It was your second time out here drifting. You did a really good job. But tell us what happened tonight.
The car has 5 neutrals now, so I think that's going to end this season, and we're just going to tear apart the whole car and rebuild it the proper way, because we don't know how the car was built. We don't know what was done and if it was done janky or the right way. So we're going to pull it all apart at the shop, and we're just going to redo the clutch. We're going to redo the tranny and just get it all going for next season.
And you know what that means? Subscribe to the channel, because we will be shooting videos on this whole build and process.
5 neutrals.